hungry.
Me too. Let's make a super meal.
First, we need a grown-up.
Daddy, let's make a super meal! Fluffy macaroni, seasoned breadcrumbs, butternut squash, butter, milk, olive oil, shredded cheese. Add the whole grain macaroni to the boiling water. Cooked macaroni al dente. Cut this and scoop it out, please. Now let's paint it with olive oil. Put it in the oven for 25 minutes. Add some butter and some flour to a pan and make a roux. Pour some milk and stir it 2 to 3 minutes. Take the butternut squash out of the oven and mash it. Now add the butternut squash. And now add the shredded cheese. The macaroni with sauce. Don't forget to put the breadcrumbs on. Now let's put it in the oven.
Here's your mac and cheese.